Hello everyone, I'm Simone and welcome to Mama Says. So to start with, let's talk to these mamas about how motherhood changed their life. Let's start with Aisha.
Everything just changed as soon as I became a mother, and I would say this is the best phase of my life. I think it just continued when I held Radhya for the first time in my arms, and she came on my face and her lip came on my lip, and then she was breathing. You know, that breath was the sweetest breath I've ever felt.
Aww.
And that moment I was like, this is mine, you know. And
So now let's get the opinion of my friends on the dreaded topic of mom guilt and life of a working mom.
I saw what my mom went through, and she had her spats of guilt, and I was lucky enough to take things in my control and kind of design things the way I want them to be, to be honest.
My mom, I mean, now that I've had kids, she tells me, you know, she used to come home from work with chocolates and stuff because she was so guilty that she just wasn't there for her kids, you know.
So, you know, there's this topic that I have been really wanting to mention right now in our chat. And Simone, what I have noticed is, you know, when it comes to postpartum depression, for someone, I'll tell you about myself first. When I had Radhya, there was nothing, like no postpartum depression, nothing. People used to look at me, tu theek hai na, tu theek hai na. And I used to wonder why they, you know, I mean, yeah, main theek hu yaar, what's up with you? But after my second delivery, I didn't know what it was. I didn't experience it, so I didn't know. And right after delivery, I don't know what was going on, but I used to be in a room filled with people, and suddenly I used to feel like crying. And my mom noticed me being a little off, so she's like, what's up with you? And I think you're going through this. So I was very lucky and fortunate to have my mother to notice this in me, because at that stage we are very vulnerable now. We've just delivered and all, and she said, no, it's get your blood test done, and it's your hormones that are going for a toss, it's nothing else. And I did that, and I realized that my progesterone was really not to a good level, etc., etc. And I treated myself with the right vitamins and everything, and within a month I was back to my solid self, touch wood. So maybe the solution to this could be someone, you know, worthy of this topic, if they are listening, then they could do this, like how after the kid is born they need to be vaccinated with a polio injection or whatever. It's like a thing that is done. So once the delivery happens, the mother, wherever she's delivering, whichever part of the world, whether it's a village or in Delhi or wherever, you have to do her blood test.
That is such
For
a
free.
great
And get
thought.
her hormones
No, that is
checked.
such a great
That's
thought.
a great idea.
And you know, the woman will not suffer, and give her the vitamins, she'll be
Wow,
normal. Yeah.
That's such a great
I
amazing.
think that's a good thing.
That's a great
Yeah,
thought.
that's
you know,
a
we
great-
should probably
yeah.
do it up as
Yeah,
an initiative.
that
and
is
start
actually
something
It's
amazing.
like
amazing. It's such
Stay
a...
tuned for the initiative, guys.
Yeah.
This is an amazing
that. I
thought.
think that.
What was your first reaction when you found out you were pregnant?
I was in Goa celebrating Radhya's birthday around that time, and Goa is a place that we all love, and I'm sitting over there and crying. I'm wondering what's going on, and then I came back to Bombay and I got to know that I'm pregnant. And I'm like, come on,
It's a
sweetie.
mixed feelings. Yeah.
What are the tips to be a good mom?
I think each mother who becomes, each woman who becomes a mother is good. Okay, and you can't.
Is great.
Is great. You really can't judge any of us or any of them. It's just that you yourself have to evaluate yourself. I think the best mother is someone who doesn't listen to anyone and does her own thing.
Yeah, and
Fantastic.
amazing. Yeah, it's your mom
It's your motherly instinct.
Motherly instinct, and it's a happy mom is a happy
So
child.
as you can see, they're both on the same page with this answer.
For me, motherhood has been more like a rebirth for me. I think when you give birth to your child, you give birth to a whole new dimension of yourself as a woman, because you're entering a completely new territory, which was completely something that you've never experienced before. So it's a new beginning, a new journey, a rebirth of yourself, which you'll have chances to, you know, better yourself in many ways and do things that probably you never did before. These are the feelings and instincts that do come to us as mothers, and you must grab the opportunity and do things that you've probably never done before for the good. I wish you
Thank
all
you.
the best, Mama
Yeah.
says.
I'm absolutely certain that you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video with these amazing mommies that came on my show today. I would love to hear in our comments what more you want to hear about in the Mama Talk section. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get notified. Thank you so much for joining us, and we hope to see you in our next video.